Hey everyone, Matt Gunn here with RCGroups.com, and I've got with me the Polaron EX charger from Graupner SJ. It's available through openhobby.com. It's a dual output 800 watt charger. It has 400 watts per channel. It has a lot of features on it and a touchscreen display. It has enough power on 24 volts. It goes from 12 to 24, so it has enough power on 24 to charge my big 6S 10,000 packs. But in this quick video review, we'll charge a very small 3S 1300 pack just to show you how it works. And we'll be using the Titan power supply at 24 volts so we can get the most out of this charger. First of all, we'll go ahead and turn on the power supply. Wait for a second here. And the Polaron's going to start up, go through it's going to let you know the current firmware, and it's going to go through its startup sequence. There we are. Alright, so we're zoomed in on the interface here of the Polaron, and the first thing you'll see is the apps that allow you to change the profile of your battery, to charge, discharge, cycle, check the balance, check the data of the pack, of how it's performing, what its voltage is, what its resistance is, things like that. Your miscellaneous section that has a tire warmer, a servo tester. It also has a motor break-in, and then your user settings, which we'll go over. It's just general things such as Celsius to Fahrenheit, beep on off. You can change the power output on each channel and whatnot. Now you can change from channel to channel through the channel 1, channel 2 button. Each one has its own interface, and you can also change through this button right here. So what we'll do is we'll take this Turnigy Nanotech 1300 3S pack and we'll set it up fresh and show you how to charge it. So first thing we'll do is we'll hit profile. And the only thing that I don't like is this double setting here. This secondary setting is just a confirmation of what's here. This doesn't really serve any purpose that I've found yet. So as long as you set it up here, it's set down here. So what we'll do is we'll set up, oh, by the way, you have 40 total battery memories, 20 per channel. So we've got number 19 here, and we're going to change this just to say 3S 1300 so I know. So we click on it and hold, like so. And then we will clear the current thing that says battery name, like that. And then we're going to go in, hit the AB, 1, 2, 3, and we'll say 3, and then AB, 3S, space, back to the numbers, 1, 3, 0, 0, and then go back. So now we have it set up as the number 19 profile is 3S 1300. And just so you know, if your thumbs are too big to push this, the charger comes with a nifty little thing, sort of like a BlackBerry device like this, that you can just press pretty easily. I don't mind using my fingers, but yeah, I can just press it like that. So we're set up as a LiPo. We can charge LiPo, we can charge Li-Fe, we can charge a solid lead acid battery, and we can charge NiCad, NiMH, and Li-ion. So this is obviously a LiPo, 3S, 1300. Done. We'll just click there. And again, it doesn't really matter that it's down in here. It's just sort of confirmation. Hopefully they'll change this in the firmware. We'll press back. And now we can charge. So let's hook up the battery. Like so. There we are. We're hooked up. We'll hit charge. And all we need to do is press, we're set up for, so we'll press go ahead and charge. Constant current, constant voltage, that's your standard LiPo style of charging. Checking the battery, making sure 3 cells are connected at the port. 3, 2, 1, charge. All right, you hear the fan start running, and you can see the current voltage of the pack here as a graph. As the graph gets wider, it will compress. You can change the charging well over 2S, but in this case we'll just do 2S charging. So we'll do 2.6 amps by clicking right here. And as you see, you have some presets: 1, 3, 5, 10, 15, and 20. We'll just up it to 2.6. Close. There we go. So now we're charging at 2C rating, 2.6. Now, while you're charging, you cannot go back to the main screen and change any settings. You've got to stop the charge and then go back. Let's see, channel 2. There's your main screen with all your apps. You cannot access this from the channel that you're currently charging on. So you're stuck here. But you can look at the cycle data. You can look at the current data of the pack. Resistance 40 milliohms. We don't have a temperature sensor on it. The input is 24 volts. The output is 11.78 volts. And that's it. So we have our data on our pack. There we are. We have some more information such as 3 cells, pack voltage 11.75, average voltage 3.98, the gap is 0.008 of a volt. And then here we are showing our 3 cells, excuse me, and the voltage and milliohms resistance for each cell. Good information. There we are showing the voltage of each pack. Each cell. All right, so while we're charging, we will monitor the pack, and then when it ends, it's going to do a nice little note that you can turn on and off. So we'll be back shortly and finalize charging this pack. All right, this charge rate is steadily dropping. We've leveled off with our voltage at 12.6, and any second now it's going to stop. If you wanted to stop the charge prematurely, you just hit this stop button right here, and you hit that, and it's going to say, do you want to stop the charge? Yes, and you're done. All right, the charge is finished, and we now have a fresh topped off 1300 milliamp 3 cell.